The Rocketfish RF-WRSK18 wireless speaker kit lets you place rear speakers without running long cables across the room, which makes it ideal for cleaning up a cluttered home theater layout. Its wireless transmitter and receiver maintain a stable connection with minimal delay, so surround effects stay in sync with what is happening on screen. The kit is designed specifically to power passive rear speakers, giving existing home theater systems a simple path to full surround sound without replacing the main receiver. Setup is straightforward with clearly labeled connections and an intuitive pairing process that most users can complete in only a few minutes. The compact black modules tuck easily behind furniture or near the rear speakers so they do not draw attention or disrupt the room's decor. Overall, this kit is a reliable way to add immersive rear channels to a home theater system while avoiding the hassle and mess of running speaker wires through walls or undercarpets.